How to find settings on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find settings on TikTok now. First open TikTok and now just click this one here on your profile, and then click these three lines in the top corner, and once you're here all you need to do just click manage TikTok account, and then here's it. Here you can manage, you can find settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.